checked it online, so we should have utilities.
But supposedly this is the nicest Love's RV stop.
We are Danny,
Melissa,
Emma, Jake,
and we are Four Simple Lives. Just wrapped up at Big Beard Battery headquarters in Athens, Texas. Got our DIY install. We did not do solar panels this time. We're coming back in November, so we're going to throw solar panels on the roof. But we did 300 amp hour Big Beard batteries, the Victron Multi Plus, and all the components that go with it. So we got 900 amp hours for off-grid living. Highly recommended if you're looking at upgrading into solar, lithium batteries. Go with Big Beard. They are assembled in the United States of America. There's no place better than that. And now we are headed to Sweetwater, Texas, to our first Love's
RV stop.
Is that what they're called? Love's RV stops?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be like one of the best ones out there. It's like a 30-site campground. So we haven't stayed at one, so I got a feeling this is going to probably ruin Love's truck stops for us because we're going to go to this one and we'll probably never find a better one.
Probably. How you doing, Em?
Alright, so we just arrived. Sweetwater, Love's RV truck stop.
Yep.
So I got a text that gave me the gate code and all the codes to the bathrooms. So let's push check me in, see what happens. Camp life. My name, my pull-through site, I paid $64.40 checking in. The reservation is checked in. I guess that activates your utilities. So we checked it online, so we should have utilities. And we do. We have power. Alright, cut the truck off and we'll hook up.
Sounds good. Nice long site. We'll see how level it is. Sewer hose survived.
Yeah, looks like a 10-foot hose will be fine here. Got our new hatch thingamabob, whatever this is called. Utilities done.
Woo!
Order's on.
Awesome.
Powerlink, and we're chilling.
Okay. Nice sites. Nice big site.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah.
$65. Well, 65 was with 10% off for military.
Okay, so 65 with 10% off
$71.50 or
milk.
something like that. Site.
Nice.
A little steep for a one night. Military helped, 65, but convenient.
Yes.
Fill up on diesel as soon as we leave in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
We'll be on our way.
How'd you sleep last night at the Love's RV stop?
So, okay, and maybe it's just me because I'm a little off, I swear I heard like a bass all night, you know, like someone's truck or something. You're like boom, boom, boom. It's like the worst sound on the planet. But I think it's just like the road noise from the highway, or the gas station's right there. So maybe it's a constant hum of trucks. Just sound like a boom, boom. And of course, I'm the only one that can hear it. Classic. But seriously, I mean, usually those sounds don't bother me. It's when it comes to bass, because I hate that type of music and that loud stuff. But we were kind of concerned about the trains. I mean, not concerned. We kind of like train noise, right? But
yeah, because okay, so here's our spot, obviously right here. The train track is just right above that ridge, right there.
And I guess I wouldn't say we were concerned. Like we don't mind that noise at all. Just
no.
For the viewers, if you're sensitive to train noise. But I'm not sure I don't think it even ran at night. At least I didn't hear it one time. Like when the sun went down, I didn't hear the trains.
But supposedly this is the nicest Love's RV stop.
Oh, it's beautiful.
I mean, it's really, really nice.
The site right here?
Yeah, we got this little pavilion thing too.
$65 for a pass-through. A stop-off is a little steep. But this site, I mean, this is a $80 to $100 a night at a resort, if you got pool and stuff like that. I mean, the grass is beautiful. It's huge. It's big pull-through. Like, I'm 100% staying at Love Sweetwater again when we pass through to Athens, Texas.
Jake, how'd you sleep last night?
Good.
Yeah. Did you have any problems at all?
No.
No. Do you like this place?
Yes.
Yeah? Is it 1 thumb up or 2 thumbs up?
1.5.
1.5. And the half is because those dogs this morning?
Yes.
Yeah, there was 2 dogs while Jake was taking Sadie out to potty. And they were barking. A lot, yeah. Emma, opinion on Love Sweetwater.
It's awesome.
Yeah, you liked it?
Mm-hmm.
Did you sleep like a baby?
Yes.
So 2 thumbs up?
If I could.
What do you got going on right here?
I'm lost.
You helping Dad pack up?
Uh-huh.
Such a good kid.
The only problem is I don't know where anything goes.
Well, we'll figure that out. All right.
There's on the couch.
Love Sweetwater. DeLacy approved. So they say one thing about when you get older, all of a sudden you start to become way more interested in birds. So we had this cute little bird nest. We could see it right from our bedroom window. And we just watched these baby birds all day and all night. So they had their 2 parents up there with them, feeding the babies. It's pretty awesome. Right from our bedroom window. All right, we're at Love's, and now that we have the batteries all installed and everything is good to go, we're gonna go to the cat scale to get ourselves weighed to see what kind of weight we're working with now that we have everything installed into the RV.
Come on.
Yeah.
I haven't used it in a while, so I gotta figure out this app for a second. Force Empalage Tractor, number 11111. The Great Bambino. $14.75. Processing. Do not pull off scale. Boom! 23,940 pounds. So we'll have to compare that to later on. We'll update you. It's been a couple of days, maybe a week or so since we got our batteries installed. So we hit the awesome cat scale because that's what we love to do as RVers. So I got some new numbers. My truck by itself is 8,700 pounds gross. So 3,380 on the steer, 5,320 on the drive axle. So pre-batteries, we had a total gross with the truck and the trailer, 24,060 pounds. So I had 5,080 on the steer axle, 6,960 on the drive axle, and then the trailer axle said 12,020 pounds. So 12,020 pounds was on my trailer axle. So it was 24,060 pounds. Now, in order to make room for the batteries, because we knew we were going to be putting a couple 100 pounds worth of batteries and equipment in, we had a 4-person couch with 3 recliners on it, and really we didn't use the 2 farthest seats closest to the door because really the kids couldn't see over the island in the RV, so they couldn't even see the TV, so we really didn't use them. So we decided, you know what, let's get rid of this entire 4-person couch setup. We'll put a smaller, lighter 2-person couch on it because we have the second 2-person couch, which is also a sleeper sofa. That's generally where Melissa and Emma stay, and then me and Jake would sit on the recliner. So we have a small little couch there, and we're going to do some upgrades with that too. But we shed a couple £100 worth of the couch. We went through and did a deep dive of the RV and got rid of the stuff that we don't need. So with the couch, no batteries as it was, like I said, we were 24,060 pounds. Now, after we pulled the couch out and we put all the batteries in, we went and reweighed and we're 23,940 pounds. So our total gross actually went down about 250 pounds, which is pretty sweet. Pre-batteries, 24,060 pounds. Post batteries, now that the batteries are installed, 23,940 pounds. So it shows you how much that couch, and I mean, we took, you know, books and stuff we've been carrying on the road for a year that we just don't need, different appliances that we never touch. So far, so good. I've probably towed probably 1,500 miles now since we put the batteries in. By far, getting rid of all the other stuff, all the niceties to be able to be off-grid boondocking with our battery setup, I wouldn't change it for the world.